Since the factory's establishment in 1999, WONDEE Landing Gear has focused on the development and production of various semi-trailer landing gear. Complete facilities, advanced equipment, professional team and strict QC management, making it one of the top 3 landing gear exporting companies in China. Located in Shandong Product Center, the main facilities of WONDEE Landing Gear factory are as follows. 1. Covering an land area of 28,000 square meters, and 4 workshops. 2. 2 modern production lines. 3. 1 QC testing laboratory. 4. More than 120 special and general equipment including 16 special automatic welding machines. At present, it has an annual production capacity of 100,000 pairs of semi-trailer landing gears. WONDEE Landing Gear has more than 125 skilled staffs including 14 domestic excellent engineers with the ability of rapid design for different technical requirements, so as to ensure that the products meet the technical standards and market demands in different regions of the world. WONDEE Landing Gear is designed according to the advanced production process flow, strictly implements ISO TS16949 QC system and has complete testing equipment include follows. 1. Landing Gear Comprehensive Testing Platform System to inspect lifting ability, static pressure ability, lateral load bearing, input torque, durability, and part strength test according to AAA standards and GB T26777 2011. Our landing gear passed all tests. 2. Thickness gauge to test painting coating thickness. WONDEE Landing Gear products are as follows. 1. Fuwa type landing gear, 24 ton, 28 ton and 32 ton. 2. Just type landing gear, 24 ton, 28 ton and 32 ton. 3. Landing gear parts including T-foot, A-foot, S-foot, R-foot, G-foot, crank, gear bar, W-plate, L-plate, etc. WONDEE Landing Gear has been exported to 58 countries in Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Africa and the Middle East, with more than 600 clients all over the world, widely recognized and praised by customers. Business services implement ISO 9001-2015 system and high customer satisfaction has been obtained.